How to remove an account from Messenger. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Messenger on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on Menu at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on Settings at the top. After you click on Settings at the top, click on Switch Profile in here. After you click on Switch Profile, you'll find Other Accounts at the bottom. Now, to remove an account from Messenger, simply slide the username to the left side and you'll find a delete button. Click on it, press on Remove, and the account will be removed from your Messenger. You can repeat the process for all the accounts that you want to remove as well. And this is how to remove an account from Messenger. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.